Hey there, tech aficionados! Buckle up because we're diving into the world of Vivo's latest creation, the vivo Y200 Pro 5G. It's not just a phone, it's a symphony of power and elegance. Let's unbox this beauty and explore its secrets. Curves that mesmerize. The Y200 Pro 5G boasts a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 3D curved AMOLED display that's as immersive as a blockbuster movie. With a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a dazzling 1300 nits peak brightness, your eyes won't believe what they're seeing. Snapdragon magic. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 695 chipset dances with the Adreno 619 GPU. It's like having a turbocharged engine for your apps and games. And with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, multitasking is a breeze. Camera brilliance. The 64-megapixel main camera captures life's moments in exquisite detail. Plus, there's a 2-megapixel portrait camera for those dreamy bokeh shots. And don't forget the 16-megapixel front camera. Your selfies will be Instagram-worthy every time. Battery for days. With a massive 5,000 milliampere battery and 44-watt fast charging, the Y200 Pro 5G keeps up with your non-stop lifestyle. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. Quick poll. Would you rather have the Y200 Pro 5G's stunning display or its lightning-fast performance? Comment below with your pick. The vivo Y200 Pro 5G is more than a phone. It's a statement. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or a multitasker, this phone has your back. And with its elegant silk black and silk green colors, it's a fashion accessory too. Did this review light up your tech radar? Smash that like button, share the excitement, and subscribe for more tech adventures. Remember, the Y200 Pro 5G is waiting to be your next sidekick.